Hey, I'm Kyle from airkayaks.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about my favorite beginner SUP board on the market. This is the Tahe Beach SUP-Yak in the 10'6" size. This board's available in two configurations. You can buy it as a SUP board only, or you can get it as a combination, a hybrid SUP-Yak. It comes with a kayak seat and with a convertible kayak paddle. It's really one of the best-selling boards on the market, and it's worthy of consideration for anybody looking for their first SUP board below $1,000. If you're comparing and shopping at Costco at like a body glove as an example, you should take a look at this board. There's a couple features that make this board stand out. First of all, it's easy to paddle. It's kind of a hybrid all-around touring shape, and it's perfect for a beginner. I've actually paddled this board myself for almost 6 months, and it's gone through a bunch of stuff with me. The next feature that is absolutely the home run feature of this board is the twin stringer molly strip that goes up and down each side. This has got about 40 different spots where it's sewn to the board, and you can basically move your seat or move anything else that you want to have attached to this, like keys, carabiners, dry bag, up and down, and attach it at any point on this level. So for example, you can put your seat in the back if you like to sit further back when you're kayaking. You can put your seat up front and let one of your little kids sit in it while you're paddling it standing up in the back. I've tested both out, it works great. Another thing that's awesome about this board is it's really quick to the water. Some people complain about SUP fins that are removable because sometimes it's easy to lose the screw, that type of stuff. This board just has 3 fixed fins and it tracks just fine. I've used this on lakes, I've used it on a river. You're gonna have no problem tracking with this particular board, and that will save you time getting into the water. At 34 inches in width, this is also a very stable board, and that leads it to its kind of secret insider use, for my opinion, is this is a really capable yoga board. It's got like a full length EVA pad. It's got a very comfortable honeycomb pattern on the EVA, and really that's one of the signatures of a yoga board is they're thicker, stabler, and have a full length EVA pad. This has got it too. These are available on airkayaks.com for $6.99 with the kayak kit, or $5.99 with the SUP kit only. Thanks.